Well, we haven't welcomed a big snowfall yet this season, and if you're missing out, we're getting an idea on how to turn your home into a winter wonderland. Amy Latta's still with us right now for Getting Crafty this morning. She's got a wintry project for us, and as we welcome her back, tell us first about the snowflakes that you're making today.
Sure. So we're going to be making some snowflakes and some that can be snowflakes or stars. So the first is very similar to a paper snowflake that you would cut. It's just larger. So to do this, because paper doesn't typically come in the large sizes that we might want, I'm using something called Olifun. And this is made by Fairfield World, the same folks that make polyfill. And it's this fabricy, canvasy kind of papery material. And all you do is you're going to cut a square that's the size that you want your snowflake to be. So mine are 15 inches, but you can do it as large as you like. And then all we do is just fold the square into two triangles, just like you would with your paper. And then we fold those triangles over, again, the same way that you would prepare a paper snowflake. You're going to cut off the top and then cut those little geometric shapes out. And then you end up with these large, really, really beautiful snowflakes that can be just completely unique and individual. I made a whole bunch of these that decorated a store window for a little toy shop. And it's just so fun to see them all displayed there on the window. So you can do that. You can hang them from the ceiling. You can make blue, white, or any color that you like. And it's just a really fun way to do a really nostalgic, old school kind of project with a little bit of a new twist.
Now, not only that, but it's fairly simple to do, but you can even make those on a snow day if we ever get one for the kids again here in our neck of the woods. So great stuff. You also have some paper bag stars and snowflakes too, Amy, right?
I do. So basically, I call them stars if they're the brown ones, or if you use the little white bags, you can have snowflakes because it's basically the same thing. But this is kind of a three-dimensional project as opposed to kind of the flat snowflakes that we made here. So to do this, all we need are 8 paper bags. And what you're going to do is take those bags and you're going to stack them and glue them together. You can use any kind of glue. I like to use the tape runner adhesive type. And all you're doing is placing glue in kind of a T shape. It's going to go on the flap and it's going to go one big stripe down the middle. So we're going to stack those bags until all 8 are together, then cut the top corners off to form a point. Next, we're going to cut little geometric shapes out of the sides, either little triangles or circles. And then what we do is we're going to open it up. And that's the most fun part. So you're just taking both ends and you're opening it up to reveal your project. And then the last steps are just to glue these two together to complete the circle. You can punch a hole in the top and put some string on it so that it will hang from the ceiling or from a hook or anywhere you like. And then you have these large, beautiful stars and snowflakes that you can hang and display anywhere all over your home. And it's super inexpensive. It's just a pack of paper bags and some glue.
It is. It looks beautiful. And again, we joke all the time, Amy, but even I could do that. And that looks great. We thank you. Remind us again where we can find these videos and helpful tips and everything, Amy Latta.
Sure. So my website is amylattacreations.com. The little videos and things you've been seeing, you can find on Instagram at Amy Latta Creations. I like to share the reels there. So come and see me on social as well at Amy Latta Creations.
Certainly will. Thanks so much. And again, have a great holiday. We'll be back after this.